Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to change the render distance in the Blender. So let's get started. So first of all, to increase or decrease to render distance you have to follow these steps. Okay, so when you are rendering you have to um, it end of the cut like this. Okay, so to increase this, like you have to, it is simply to create a model. Then to increase or decrease you have to go to your option as your perspective. Then you have to do clipping at your start at 10 centimeter and 100 centimeter. At here you can just change it. Okay, so it will look like something like this. So you have to change all of these settings. Okay, so here you will look like this. Okay, so here it will be changed like a render distance. Okay, so if like this it will change like to like this. So this is how we can just change our render distance in our Blender. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.